Welcome to Amaya channel. The rest of the questions I'm solving. Question number 85. Question number 85, what they are asking here is, in triangle ABC, so triangle ABC will be there. Triangle ABC, so A will be coming here, B will be here, C will be here. So tan of A minus B by 2, tan C by 2 is there. So now options given to you is A plus B by A minus B, A square plus B square by A square minus B square. Third, A square minus B square by so here formula will be what? Tan A minus B by 2 will be there. So A minus B by 2, tan A minus B by 2 formula is A minus B by A plus B cot C by 2, and here tan C by 2 is given. So here cot C by 2 will be A minus B by A plus B. You leave it as it is. Cot will become 1 by tan C by 2 into tan C by 2 is there. So this and this will get cancelled. So A minus B by A plus B. So answer will be exactly D option. Okay. So now we'll go for next question. Next question, what they're telling that what will be the answer in triangle ABC if they are giving that A square plus 2BC cos A, then which option is going to be the correct answer? B square minus C square, B square plus C square. So we know that A square will be equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. So if we will shift this one that side, then it will become A square plus 2BC cos A equal to B square plus C square. So answer will be B answer. Okay. So now next question is question number 86 option. Question number 87. 87 question, what they are saying that in 87th question they are telling that tan theta into sin 2 theta now sin theta will become 2 sin theta into cos theta. So now cos theta cancel, it will become 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta is nothing but we know that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta will be 1 minus cos 2 theta. Formula wise, so 1 minus cos 2 theta, answer B will be the correct answer. Question number 88 is कि if theta satisfying the equation tan 6 theta equal to cot 3 theta, then theta will be exactly equal to what? 15 degree, second option 10 degree, third option 20 degree, fourth option 30 degree. So what will be the answer coming there? Now here tan 6 theta, we will convert it into what degree? We can say that tan of 90 minus 3 theta. Tan of 90 minus 3 theta will be cot, tan cancel. 6 theta will be equal to 90 minus 3 theta. So 9 theta will be equal to 90 degree. So theta will be exactly equal to tan degree. So option B will be the correct answer. So now 89th question. 89th question is what question? If sin theta will be equal to minus root 3 by 2, then which option theta will be correct? Theta will be 60 degree. Second, theta will be 120 degree. Third, theta will be 300 degree. Fourth, none of this. So here answer will be exactly going to be what? Answer will be exactly going to be what? Answer will be going to be, see, first quadrant, second quadrant, answer will be exactly positive. Because 60 degree root 3 plus root 3 by 2, 120 degree plus root 3 by 2, 300 degree means here it will be minus. So answer will be exactly going to be C. Question number 90 question number 90 is what they are telling that कि C minus A cos B by B minus A cos C, B minus A cos C will be equal to what? Your options what they have given here is B by C, second is C by B, second is C by B, third is C plus B, fourth is C minus B. So this formula, direct formula is there, and that answer will be exactly coming to be, here it will be coming as sin B, directly formula is there. So C minus A cos B is nothing but sin B, and this part will be coming as sin C. Okay, so one direct formula will be coming, C minus B, this direct formula is coming, that is exactly going to be sin B and sin C. But we know that A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to K. So here B will be equal to B by K will be equal to sin B. So here we can write that B by K, and here it will become C by K. So KK cancels, so answer will become B by C. So answer A will become the correct answer here. Answer A will become the correct answer here. Shall we go for the next question? Question number, the point on the y-axis which is equidistant. So on y-axis one point will be there. So definitely the value of x will become 0, and this point will be equidistant to A, that is minus 1 by 2, and B, that is coming as B will be coming as 3 by 4. So I just draw roughly this one. Now your options given to you, the options given is 0 comma 4, second option given to you is 0 comma 5, third option given to you is 5 comma 0, fourth option given to you is none of these. And this question is question number 91. Okay, so first what we will do, this distance formula we will use, it will become 1 square means 0 minus of minus 1 is 1 square means 1, and y minus 2 whole square. Now root under will be there. Now use distance formula, 3 minus 0 means 3 square, 4 minus y, so 4 minus y whole square root under. So squaring both sides, since they both distance is coming equal, PA equal to PB is given. PA equal to what is given? PB is given. So square of PA will be equal to square of PB. So here it is coming as 1 plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 9 plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. 5 minus 4y equal to 25 minus 8y. So minus 4y plus 8y equal to 25 minus 5. So here it is going to come as 4y equal to 20. So y will be equal to 5. So here y will be equal to 5. So if y will be 5, x will become 0. So y will be 5, x will become 0. Let's see which answer is exactly going to be. So option B will become the correct answer. Option B will become the correct answer. Question number 91 done. Question number 20. Circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are Okay, how many minutes over? In center, circumcenter, 10 minutes.